Greetings everyone. Before we present our industry-based project, I would like to take a moment to introduce our team members and briefly highlight the parts that each of us has contributed to. The first team member is Gary Albertine, did question number 10. Second, Bibi Ani Shahira, who did question number 6 and 7. Third, Jennifer Nia, who did question number 1, 2 and 4. Fourth, Noor Elinda, who did question number 8 and 9. Fifth, Asufi, who did question number 3. And lastly, Muhammad Faiz, who did question number 5. Hi everyone and welcome. Now let's take a quick look at Nelson Nexus, a company that's redefining how Asian producers connect with European markets. Firstly, Nelson Nexus is a trading company that specializes in responsible, transparent and efficient export practices. Their mission is simple, which is to bridge Asian producers with European buyers in a way that benefits both sides. Why does this matter? It is because it helps to ensure high-quality products reach European markets, while Asian producers gain fair and sustainable access. It is not just a trade, it is equitable growth. Moving forward, digital technology supports the business, but it is not its strategic core. The CEO system's expertise helps streamline operation, but the company's real strength lies elsewhere. Now, here's where things gets interesting. Data and analytics are central to Nelson Nexus strategy. They use insights to shape demand, ensure compliance, and expand sustainability. And operationally, data drives everything, from daily decisions to export efficiency and transaction transparency. It's the backbone of how they work. In short, Nelson Nexus isn't just a trading company, it's a data-driven bridge between continents built on trust, transparency, and smart strategy. Now, moving forward to question number 2, tech sector integration. Nelson Nexus Sdn Bhd integrates with the technology and analytics sector by using advanced systems to forecast demand, predict outcomes, and generate insights that helps to strengthen supply chain visibility, market forecasting, and reporting. Its unified data architecture connects fragmented data sets across regions, while micro-business intelligence focuses on product line performances, and macro-business intelligence dashboard track global market trends. The company also employs enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management systems, data warehouses, and cloud platforms such as Amazon Web Services and Google BigQuery, supported by methodologies like machine learning, segmentation, and benchmarking. At the same time, Nelson Nexus adopts a hybrid approach to business intelligence. It developed tailored dashboards and unified data architecture for real-time forecasting, supply chain efficiency, and compliance monitoring, while also leveraging external solutions such as Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, Jedox, Csense, and Looker. This combination of in-house innovation and proven external tools ensure scalability, reliability, and precision. In summary, analytics is not just a support function for Nelson Nexus, it is a strategic foundation shaping the company's future.
Our focus area is product line intelligence, specifically for the veterinary products line. The main goal of this focus area is to improve several key areas, including sales performance, forecasting accuracy, customer targeting, and overall supply chain efficiency. Furthermore, the business intelligence process behind this involves collecting, transforming, and analyzing operational data. This will allow the company to turn raw information from different sources into meaningful insights that can guide decision making. The impacted business functions include sales and marketing, supply chain, and procurement, as well as management and strategy. These functions benefit directly because the system helps them work more efficiently and with clearer data. As an effect of this process, the company could gain real-time visibility into product demand, profitability, and supplier efficiency, which will lead to better forecasting and stronger customer retention. Lastly, The relevant departments involved are sales and marketing, which analyze sales data, procurement and supply chain, which track supplier performance, data analytics and IT team, which builds the business intelligence dashboards, and management or executives, who will interpret the reports and make strategic decisions. Together, these departments enable the BI system or business intelligence system to function effectively and support the company's overall goals. Thank you.
Question 4, model the process. This diagram illustrates the complete workflow of how a customer order eventually becomes valuable business intelligence. The process begins when the customer places an order. After that, the sales teams upload the sales and customer data into the system. Once the data is uploaded, our data analysts begin cleaning and enriching the information to ensure it is consistent, organized, and ready for further processing. The clean data then goes through a decision point where we check for completeness and accuracy. If the data is complete and accurate, the process continues smoothly. The team reviews the insights generated from the data, and the decision makers use this insight to make informed business decisions. However, if the data is not complete or accurate, the team proceeds to analyze the product line and market trends. This helps identify missing information and ensures that useful insight can still be produced despite the gaps. After analyzing the trends, business intelligence dashboards are generated to present all findings clearly. Once the dashboard and insights are ready, the decision makers review them and use the result to support strategic decisions, bringing the process to an end. This model shows how different teams work together to transform raw data into meaningful business intelligence that supports the organization.
Hello, my name is Faiz and I will present on the key data requirements for our product line intelligence system. First, we have customer data such as customer ID, region, and loyalty tier. This helps us understand buying behavior and identify high-value customers. Next, we have product and sales data, including product ID, category, sales date, quantity, and revenue. These datasets allow us to track product performance and forecast demand more accurately. We also use supplier performance data like supplier ID and delivery time. This helps us evaluate supplier reliability and manage supply chain efficiency. Additionally, inventory data such as stock levels and reorder points help us prevent overstock and shortages. We include marketing campaign data, which shows how promotions influence customer purchases, and distributor data, which helps us monitor regional logistics and delivery time performance. Overall, these data entities form the foundation of our BI system and support better decision making across sales, supply, and customer management.
My name is Bibi Anishahira and I'm going to talk about the technology architecture diagram. So firstly is the data sources layer. The system will gather raw data from three sources: the ERP system for operational and financial data, the CRM system for customer information, and the distributor system for the logistics and product movement. Then, at the cloud platform layer, all the data flows into the Microsoft Azure, which provides a secure, scalable storage, network infrastructure, and compute resources for data processing and analytics. Next layer, the key Azure services are used to transform and analyze the data. First is Azure Synapse for data warehousing and analytics. Secondly is Azure Data Factory for ETL/ELT processes. And lastly, the Azure Machine Learning for the predictive modeling and forecasting. Then the process data is presented through BI tools such as the Power BI, Tableau, and a mobile application to give the users a real-time dashboards and insights. So for the end users, the sales teams will access the analytics on PCs while the product manager will use smartphones via the mobile application which connect through a secure networks. Overall, the architecture integrates multiple data sources, cloud services, analytics tools, and BI applications to deliver scalable, secure, and accessible insights to business users. Next, we proceed with the external technology providers. ERP providers, where systems like SAP and Oracle supply essential supply chain and inventory data. Alongside this, web services powered by Microsoft Azure enable a seamless data exchange with veterinary distributors and partners. For analytics, the organization relies on BI and analytic tools such as Power BI for enterprise reporting, Tableau for advanced analysis, and solutions like JDocs and Sage for financial planning and ERP integrated analytics. In terms of workforce support, offshoring allows global IT partners to handle development and technical tasks, while outsourcing leverages Azure specialists to manage cloud and AI capabilities to help reduce internal infrastructure costs. Then the current approach uses a Microsoft-centric foundation combined with various vendor tools, which the future state propose a unified architecture using Azure Synapse and Data Factory as the central platform to integrate all the data sources and tools. This setup brings us several benefits, which are faster implementation, cost-effective scaling, access to expert skills, and reduced maintenance. However, there are also considerations which include cost monitoring, data security, and integration complexity. Overall, the recommendation is to streamline the analytics ecosystem by adopting Azure and Power BI as the core platform, while leveraging AI for segmentation, forecasting, and inventory optimization.
Today, I'll explain Agile Business Intelligence and Prototyping and why it's valuable for our system design. First, why use Agile BI? It lets team build dashboard quickly through short sprints, continuously improve forecasting models, and gather frequent feedback. This means we can produce early working versions and adapt fast when data or business rules change. Next, the adaptability. Agile BI makes it easy to adjust dashboard, alerts, and models every sprint. It also supports adding new data sources as the BI environment grows and allow ongoing improvement of forecasting. Overall, it scales smoothly as the business expands. Finally, the benefits. Users get early access to working dashboards. Risks are reduced through quick iteration and models become more accurate over time. Most importantly, the constant prototyping leads to higher user satisfaction because improvements are based on real feedback. This is why Agile BI and prototyping are essential for a responsive and effective BI system. Here is our to-be model for the veterinary product replenishment and monitoring process. The process begins with the sales and distribution team, where daily sales and distributor data are sent automatically through API or EDI. This data is then uploaded into the cloud warehouse, where the BI system runs two key processes. First, the SKU level forecasting model, and second, the inventory optimization engine, which calculates safety stock and generate a replenishment proposal. Next, the proposal goes to the planner and procurement team, where the system checks if inventory is sufficient. If it's not, the planner reviews and adjusts the proposal, and we also check whether the budget requirements are met. If everything is okay, procurement issues a purchase order. Finally, the warehouse receives the stock, updates inventory records, and management monitors performance through a unified BI dashboard. That includes KPIs and data quality alerts. Overall, this to be model improve automation, reduce manual errors, and support better forecasting and decision making.
Finally, let's look at the business impact. On the value side, we focus on the commercial precision our system identify as a zombie products. Items with high sales volume that actually lose money so we can cut them. Crucially, we use clinical data to predict diseases like kidney disease years in advance. This allows Nielsen Nexus to pre-stock inventory before the market demand even hits. On the risk side, the main concern is economic euthanasia, where algorithm might unknowingly prioritize high-cost treatments over patient welfare. We also need to secure the attack surface created by the IoT devices in clinics to prevent ransomware entries. That's all from our group. Thank you.